everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Here I am about to share the topic of the day. Today in our series of Emotion Part 1, we will be a part of a day in a fisherman's life. We will experience the emotional ups and downs through this illustration. So stay with us till the end as we are about to witness this mystical journey of a fisherman. Today's painting is going to represent a day, a moment of a fisherman's life. Cloudy outside, river is calm, but darkness of dense cloud has surrounded all places. And this kind of mystical time, a fisherman is there sitting on his boat. All arrangements are there to catch fish. But he seems not to catch a fish, but looking at his only source of light, whose light has given a ray of brightness in his face. Often heard about fisherman who catches a fish and sell it. We all know that, right? But have you ever wondered what kind of emotions he goes through? Have you ever wondered what is a day he must be having? It is certainly not a life for everyone. Long hours, hard work, bad weather are enough to keep most people away. But if you ask a fisherman, he will tell a different story. He will tell you about the breathtaking beauty of the open ocean, the great excitement of a good catch of fish, and a personal satisfaction of a hard day's work. Fishermen have to commit to the life they have chosen. They have to be prepared. On water, every decision is one of a survival. Mistakes can be deadly. They have to know the sea, the way it changes, and how these changes affect their boat, their gear, the fish. They have to plan ahead and be prepared for all possible outcomes. Fisherman is a businessman, self-reliant, strong, and adventurous person. Even before the sun rises and warms the sea, the fisherman is at his work. He set out in the middle of the night or very early in the morning. There are also times when they go deep sea fishing in large boat, stocked with food and water to help them survive for 10 days at the sea. They're back in the morning. The boat is hauled to shore by the fisherman. There are days when they are blessed with plenty, but on the other hand, there are days they return empty-handed. While it is a profession filled with uncertainty, also uncertain is the future of this profession as well. Many fishermen send their children to school now. They say that they do not want their children to struggle as they do and want a better life for them, leaving the future of the sea-dependent occupation in caution. While emotion is a subjective state of mind, a strong feeling deriving from one's circumstances, mood, or relationship with others. Emotion are responses to significant internal or external events. What do you think? What is this fisherman is thinking about? what is the subjective state of mind he is going through. So, did you like today's drawing session? A part of a day in fisherman's life? Let us know in the comment section about your thoughts, feedbacks or any suggestions. We will keep discovering new art forms of new places and unknown facts. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a fantastic week ahead. Bye bye. Take care.